Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about an Olympiad maths question. Let's go over the question and then continue. It says x squared plus y squared equals to 1111, and the question says that we need to solve this equation. So whenever we get a question where we have to solve, you remember that we need to find out the values, and here you see we have two missing variables. We need to find out the values of these both, where is x and y. So let's go over and continue the problem. First thing is, we need to find out two numbers. When we take a square of those numbers, it should be equal to 1111. So now we need to see which two numbers they can be. Let's say we are going to consider the x and y values are same. This is called the rational approximate value, right? So let's say both of them are equal. In that case, what we can do, in place of y, we can also replace it with x. And then it would be like x squared plus x squared equals to 1111. Now, when there are two x squares, they are like terms, so they can add it together. And it would become 2x squared is equal to 1111. Now we got to find out the value of x. So this means that what we would do, we would take 2 to the other side, and since it's x squared, we would also take a square root on this side. So first thing is, when you divide these two numbers, you would get x is equal to square root of 555.5. And when we take a square root of it, it's going to be approximately equal to 23.56. This means that when we would add both of the numbers, this means that x plus y is also equal to 2x, right? This means that 2 times 23.56, which is approximately equals to 47.12. So this means that x and y values, when we would add them up, it's going to be 47.12. Now, if you have to verify the solution, what would you do? You can also square 23.56, and when you would add them twice, and you see it would be approximately equal to 1111. So this is how you would solve this Olympiad question. I hope you understood it. In case you have any questions or any ambiguities, feel free to reach out to me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.